Boxycharm.
Yay!
Hi, this is Elizabeth. This is her channel, SWEETPINKHOME. I am her daughter, Jacinda.
Hi. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, SWEETPINKHOME. This is the first video that I've done since my brother's passed away. And so, yeah, I just need something to make me happy. And our Boxycharm came in the mail. Woo! So we're going to review its items. Anyway, I don't know why I'm whispering.
A quick little talk about what happened, though. Like, why you haven't been active.
Oh, why I haven't been active?
So, like my mom just said, my uncle passed away. It was very tragic. It was an accident. She was very close. They were very close.
Mm-hmm.
And so we had his service, and he was buried. We laid him to rest, and it was a big deal. So my mom's been having kind of a hard time, but I tried to convince her that it was going to be okay, and that we need a little light in our life and something to de-stress us, because my mom's been like this. A Boxycharm.
Yay! Anyway, so we're gonna review the Boxycharm. So here we go. Charm, June 2018.
It's a little late, but well,
who cares?
This one's a booklet. The Caribbean Queen is the... Yeah, it says Battington, Monroe, silk
Isn't that
lashes.
cool? So pretty.
The 3D multi-layered Battington, Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length. I'm gonna look at the bum cream.
Oh, and by the way, my toddler got into it, so yeah. It smells like bum cream in our bathroom, which is fine because it smells really good.
It does smell really good, like that's...
I wish we could have like a scratch and sniff so you could smell it. It smells really good.
But, yeah, like my mom, we went to the bathroom and we were like, what the heck is that smell?
Okay, and now we have our next item.
Look, we actually went in order.
Is it really?
Except for that one.
What is this one called?
That one is...
You don't have to read the descriptions.
Luxie 3-piece flawless complexion. I'm just showing them the box.
Oh. And what's this retail for?
$42.
$40, but these, like, I'm not a makeup professional, but I can tell that these are really high quality. And they're really soft and super cute. The pink color.
This one's the tapered highlighter. Wait, hold on.
You don't have to show them that part.
Tapered highlighter.
Tapered highlighter.
Perfection foundation. Foundation perfection. I don't know. And then the Duo Fiber Powder.
Duo!
My nose is so bad.
Alright. And the next thing we have is
JONTEBLU.
JONTEBLU. We're turning French.
Eyeliner pencil.
Eyeliner pencil. Check it out. I love eyeliner. Eyeliner
it's
actually...
100% vegan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Waterproof.
It's waterproof? Nice. I could have used this the last couple weeks. For sure. So much water coming out of my eyes. And what's the value on this?
$5.
$5?
This one was like what I was most excited about. This palette features, I'm not going to read that.
A lot of different really cool colors. Can you see them all? Whoop whoop. Bring it.
Whoop whoop.
That feels lighter.
Lighter?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like, some eyeshadows feel kind of heavy, and that's pretty light.
I know, it has nice pigment, too.
Ooh la la. I feel so pretty even now. And finally, we have this.
Ofra.
Long-lasting liquid lipstick. I gotta try this on, baby.
Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. Num-UT's lip liner. This liquid lipstick is a beautiful...
Have a great beginning of summer. And I hope you enjoyed our Boxycharm. Have a good day.
Not sponsored.
Yep, not
Make
sponsored.
sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
And comment if you'd like.
And comment if you have some bum cream that you like in a different flavor. Anyway, have a good day.